Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, so your profile photos, comments, and likes are hidden until you log back in. So follow these steps. So open Instagram and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, go to Account Center. Next, scroll down and look for Manage Accounts and click on that. Next, select your Instagram account that you want to deactivate and click Manage. Next, from the option, select Deactivation or Deletion. So from these two options, select Deactivate account. Then click Continue. Click Continue again. Enter your password. Click Continue. Now choose a reason why you want to deactivate. Click Continue. Then click Deactivate account. So once this is processed, you can reactivate your account at any time through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. And that's it. So you just have to click deactivate account to confirm the action and your account will be deactivated. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.